chat. Listen, Yoli, thank you. You're going now? I'm gonna give you a follow.
Alright. Thank you, bye-bye.
I don't feel now about it. I don't give a fuck if I win me neither. Yes, my choice, eh? I say what I say that. Yes, man. No girl can make me carry them up on the next date. I kill me dead when me there, so bro. No girl, bro. No matter who charge it. No girl can make me say, ROJAY, we're going on a date. Damn, I said that straight, like. Yeah, enough, man. I gotta make come on social media, come make woman stand me, though, guys. You know, say enough. In your day, you know, say too much. What the fuck you live from Manchester? There go we have a buckler mobile. Go see the people every time go we up a woman. You know, say on this make take a man take and bring back licking a buckler to then have much sense. Enough my blood clot, enough. Enough. So I can spit on my blood clot face, enough. Too much. That's it. Just lickle and flip up to bumbo clot. Too much for blood clot, too much. Off your fuck. Round of applause for your vagina. Round of applause cause you a rider. You can't style. Some cocky make you full of saliva. So make you bounce. Make you shake. Nah, me not choose them out. Look here, man, I'm not going to tell me if you choose nobody on social media. I'm going to want blood clot people embarrass again. They come like a lick. Favor and lick on it, bro. Me not tell this straight. Bro. Nobody feel like me a pussy clot invite nobody. Man, bro. No girl, man. That one, not to me dating days done. Up on social media, this up me, no, man. Fucking social media, this up, bro. Social media, this blood clot, man. Fucking love. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. We playing a match?
Yeah, let's play.
Okay.
Hey, what's this going on? That's my painting from last night.
Your painting is nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's all brought up now. Guys, step the screen for me. It's 7 in the morning, guys. Y'all are supposed to sleep, not me. I'm up. Step the screen for me, guys.
Ashley, want the man?
No. No, I don't.
You don't want a man?
No, I don't.
You're single?
I'm single by choice right now.
You're single by choice? Why?
Because I want to love myself.
You want to what now?
I want to love myself.
Oh, you want to work on yourself?
Yeah.
So I can't help with that.
No.
I'm a gentleman.
I believe you. I believe you.
Yeah, I'm a gentleman, bro. I just got stood up on a date, you know. So I'm feeling kind of sad right now.
So what, you want two broken people to come together and be more broken?
Huh?
You want two broken people to come together and be more broken, sir?
I might as well just heal each other though.
Thank you, Smiley. Guys, 3 more. Right now, I just want to make art and live life.
Exactly,
Honestly.
I want to make art too. You know, like that's what I'm trying to say. I want to make art too.
What kind of art?
Painting, just like what you just did, showed us just now.
Lies. This is how men are. You know, they will see something you love and then they will do that.
For real. Like I'm in love with art, bro. Like I'm in love with art. I like painting.
Show me something you made.
I'm at a villa right now.
You don't have a picture of nothing?
No,
Okay.
but we can paint together still. I enjoy that. Brits.
Yeah, we can paint on live one time.
Okay. Yeah, we can start that live. We can paint that live to, you know, eventually reaching painting in person.
So who stood you up?
Huh?
Who stood you up?
Dyema.
Dyema? Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
I'm feeling I feel like a pain.
Let me rub in the chest. Oh God, man.
I ain't gonna lie, still from the start, you have a warm personality, you know, from the start talk to you, my heart kind of feel better. I even go, listen, I'm not trying to flirt or anything, you know, but my heart kind of feel, you know, warm, man. You get my
Well, I tend to do that to people, you know.
Huh?
I said, I tend to do that to people. Someone said, let him drive 2 hours. Oh, that's really sad.
Yeah, charming.
So at no point in those 2 hours did you feel like I should turn back?
Oh no. I was literally at the restaurant for like an hour waiting.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Where from?
I don't understand how people are so confident, you know, like I don't know how it went, right? But if you're going somewhere and that person is not communicating with you at all, that would scare the crap out of me, honestly.
So where originally from?
Originally?
Yeah.
Well, I'm in the Netherlands now, but originally I'm from Suriname.
Okay. Alright.
You?
I have a European visa and like me travel 2 hours and I feel like I can't deliver now. Yeah, I feel like I can't deliver now, you know.
Well, if you fly all the way over here, I will not let you wait at the restaurant, I promise.
You won't wait?
No, I won't let you wait. I won't let you wait at the restaurant.
Nah, sir. Last person tell me that she not come.
Really? But she didn't tell you that this was gonna happen.
She didn't.
Someone is saying, what is the name of the European visa?
Schengen.
He got it. He ain't lying, guys.
I have a European visa for you. I'm gonna travel to the Netherlands, you know.
So where have you been?
Huh? That's the thing. I've never traveled there before, but I never yet go there before. You see me, but I have a reason for forward. No, you see.
Guys, tap the screen for me, please.
You were traveling for? You were traveling for?
I believe so.
You believe so?
Yeah.
All right, man. Stop me. No.
What you see is what you get with me. Thank you, rich boy. I never knew Ash was from Suriname. Yes. I'm a full Surinamese girl, you guys.
They're trying to match us right now.
They try to match me with everybody at this point, honestly.
What do you think? You think something can ignite?
I just want to paint.
I want to paint too.
Let's just paint.
We're gonna
Let's paint for now. Let's just paint for now.
No.